Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about Flyability's safety drone inspections, Medigo Gro's Telehealth, AI's latest developments. Flyability has developed a caged drone that can fly into confined spaces and carry out inspections to prevent people from risking their lives in hazardous environments. The design of the drone includes a cage that protects it in case of collision inspired by insects' flying abilities. Flyability's goal is to keep people safe while saving time, money, and effort in dangerous situations. Next, Medigo, a Vietnam-based startup, plans to expand its telehealth ecosystem with $2 million in new funding from East Ventures, Pavilion Capital, and Touchstone Partners. The company's app provides on-demand prescription delivery services by connecting users to nearby licensed pharmacies that deliver medicine within 20 minutes. With the new capital, Medigo will expand its remote doctor consultations, medicine delivery services, and home testing services including blood test, urine test, and pregnancy test, as well as expand to 2-tier cities in Vietnam. The startup has over 500,000 active users and over 1,000 pharmacy partners, differentiating itself by working with pharmacies that are open around the clock. Here are some latest developments in AI for you. OpenAI is adding support for plugins to ChatGPT, an upgrade that massively expands the chatbot's capabilities and gives it access for the first time to live data from the web. Up until now, ChatGPT has been limited by the fact it can only pull information from its training data, which ends in 2021. Adobe has now entered the AI race, joining Microsoft, Google, and others by introducing a new family of generative AI models called Firefly. Firefly is bringing generative AI into Adobe's suite of apps and services to generate media content. Microsoft just launched a Notion AI competitor called Loop. Loop enables you to collaboratively create documents using any Microsoft Office application like Outlook, Teams, or Word. As Microsoft continues to ramp up its integration of generative AI tools, the newest product the company announced is a strong competitor to AI productivity hub Notion AI. Canva is introducing a series of new features, including a new suite of AI-powered tools. You can use Magic Write for writing website copy or presentation summaries. You can automatically generate presentations. The Magic Design tool lets users upload an image and then select a style to get a curated selection of personalized templates that you can customize. The Magic Edit features lets you add or replace anything in an image. GitHub Copilot is evolving to bring chat and voice interfaces, support pull requests, answer questions on docs, and adopt OpenAI's GPT-4 for a more personalized developer experience. With so many AI disruptions taking place, are you taking steps to innovate and keep up with a rapidly changing world? Or are you at risk of being left behind? In summary, Flyability has developed a caged drone to prevent human risk and injury. Medigo has secured $2 million in funding to expand its telehealth ecosystem. Productivity Apps developed a series of new features by incorporating AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Leadapreneurs YouTube channel to get your weekly updates.